Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect a hosting or domain to system.io. First, go to your system account. Once inside, click on your profile at the top right and go to Settings. On the left panel, open the Custom Domains section. Here, click on Add Domain at the top right. Now, type in the hosting or domain you want to connect, then hit Save. After that, it's time to set your DNS record. So, head over to your Hostinger account. On the left panel, go to the Domains tab. Then, click Manage beside the domain you connected. Here, go to the DNS or Name Server section. First, delete the existing DNS records you have. Then, we'll add new ones. For the first record, select CNAME as the type. For the name, type in your domain. Go back to System, copy the value provided, and paste it to Hostinger. Once done, click Add Record. Now, add another record. Again, select CNAME as the type, go back to System, copy the value before your domain, and paste it under the name field. Then, copy the last value from System and paste it in Hostinger. Once done, click Add Record. And that's it. If you go back to System, you may see that the connection is still pending. That's normal as it can take some time to fully update. But basically, that's how you connect your hosting or domain to system.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.